Welcome to this tutorial on how to receive money with TapTap Send. A fast and easy way to get paid from friends and family abroad. To get started, you need to have a TapTap Send account, which you can create by downloading the TapTap Send app and following the sign-up process. First, ensure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your account using your email address and password. If you have not set up an account, you can do so by following the in-app prompts to create one. To receive money, you will need to share your unique TapTap Send link with the sender. This link can be found in the Receive Money section of the app. Simply navigate to this section and tap on Share to send the link to the sender via email, messaging app, or social media. The sender will then use this link to initiate the transfer, entering the amount they wish to send and selecting the currency. They will also need to cover the transfer fee and any applicable exchange rate charges. Once the sender has initiated the transfer, you will receive a notification from TapTap Send informing you that the money is on its way. You can track the status of the transfer in the app, which will show you when the money has been sent, when it is being processed, and when it has been deposited into your account. To receive the money, you will need to have a bank account or mobile money wallet linked to your TapTap Send account. If you have not already done so, you can add your account details in the app by navigating to the Accounts section and following the prompts to add a new account. TapTap Send will then deposit the money into your account, usually within a few minutes. Depending on the currency and destination, you will receive another notification from TapTap Send when the money has been deposited, and you can then use it as you would any other funds in your account. It is essential to note that TapTap Send has strict security measures in place to protect your money and personal data. All transactions are encrypted, and the app is regulated by financial authorities to ensure your safety. In conclusion, receiving money with TapTap Send is a fast and easy process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can quickly and securely receive money from friends and family abroad, and get on with your day.